Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well. One of the problems with Metatrader is with so many different brokers out there, as well as doing so many different prop firm challenges, maintaining all the different accounts becomes a real problem. And the best way of doing that I have found is with a trade copier. Now I've used trade copiers in the past, but I've not used them recently. But with the multiple accounts I've got, I've decided to go back to that and reset them up on my accounts right now. Now the one I've chosen is Forex Copier version 4. There are some definite upgrades from version 3, which is you can run Metatrader as well as CTrader. The interface is far better. The UI is just far more intuitive and easy to configure, and it's really, really straightforward to download, install, and really configure all the different platforms you've got. So let's have a quick look at it and see if I can get it running. Right, so on the Forex Trade Copier website, all we need to do is go up to the free demo, click on the Forex Copier, and it'll automatically download. From there, click on the install file, which is generally just the normal install you get for Windows, agree to the terms and conditions, click next, and it goes through and installs really quite nicely onto the PC. It'll then auto launch. From this point, we need to add our source files, and we're choosing Metatrader. It automatically picked up the 8 cap, which I wanted. So click create. Often you get a pane where the EA is not assigned, so click yes, it will do a relaunch of the actual Metatrader in the background. And then we can see here from the screen, we actually get the yellow text saying we've actually now got the EA assigned to the actual account. Click the receiver file, again Metatrader for me, we're choosing my FTMO account. Click next. It's going to connect to the 8 cap and then create. Often again you see some errors come in here. By auto fixing, it goes and picks them up straight away. The same thing, because the program's not launching, it goes and launches it, then assigns the EA to the program in the background. This way we're very close to having it all completed, so you need to go back into the actual program, then to assign all of the receiver files. It then links them together, click the apply, and then we can see the line in between them then goes green, and at that point everything is good to go and we are ready to start trading between our accounts. So on this one, I'm just going to set up a very short on gold, just half a lot, just to see if it actually works. And we can see here from the Metatrader, it goes straight into the FTMO account, and we can see we've actually got a trade now open on the gold. The account is slightly different. We've got more equity in one, so therefore the account is, or the lots are slightly higher. Just want to modify this one slightly so we can actually take a profit, and we can see the auto closing between the accounts. So we've set just a very, very small profit. And with them running side by side, we can see now we're about to hit the target, and both those accounts will close out that particular trade for the profit as requested. So for me, that's running perfectly. The EAs are syncing on both. But as I said before, you need to have both the programs running simultaneously on the PC. You can have them running on a virtual cloud if you want to, but for me, I've got a spare PC in the corner of the room which I can run this on and let it run and do what it needs to do. I can then, from my Mac, remote desktop into that and run all the programs from here. So I've got all the control I need, as well as everything run all full automation. So I hope that's been actually quite useful for some of you to see how you can actually automate the trading between one Metatrader and another with a very simple program. The demo itself allows you to do up to 2 different accounts, and you can actually go and purchase the full program if you need to, if you're running many different versions of Metatrader, whether it's version 4, version 5, or even CTrader. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you again soon. Cheers.